Masala with me, Stacey Candy. In the kitchen today, something new and something also very tasty that we're going to make, and as usual it's something very simple to prepare and very quick in the simplest way possible. So before we begin, remember, if you haven't subscribed, click the button below and subscribe to get notified whenever I post the next recipe, and so that you don't miss out on this growing family. And for those who have subscribed, thank you so much, and continue liking, commenting and sharing. And as we continue, you can also comment what you love about this recipe, and if you don't have anything to say, just smile and we continue. So karibuni. For today we'll just be making some very yummy chicken, which I'm going to show you how to prepare right away. So guys, for ingredients we have natural yogurt, vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can use some lemon, tandoori masala, garlic powder, turmeric, some thyme, whichever you prefer, and some garlic and ginger paste, and definitely our chicken drumsticks. Guys, we're now going to begin marinating our chicken, and for that we're going to add in our thyme, then turmeric, garlic powder, the ginger and garlic paste, tandoori masala, and finish with our vinegar. Then before we add in the next thing to our marinated chicken, we're first going to rub our chicken very well and nicely. Remember, we want to give it a good send-off after living a good life. Hopefully it was well treated wherever it was reared. So yeah, we give the chicken a good rub, and then finally we are going to add in our plain yogurt and mix it all together. We begin by first seasoning our all-purpose flour, and for this we don't want our outside to be not tasty while our inside is tasty. They say look at the inner beauty, but for food that doesn't apply. You have to taste both the inside and the outside for it to be a perfect meal. No inner beauty over here when it comes to food. So for our seasoning, we're going to put a black pepper, the tandoori masala, and definitely some bit of salt. Next, we're going to do the actual coating of our drumsticks using our all-purpose flour, and then next to dip it into our beaten eggs. And as you're doing this, remember you can heat up your oil and make sure that the oil does not become too hot. Once it's too hot, it will cook the outside faster and resulting in burning your meat before the inside is well cooked, and you don't want to eat raw meat. Always remember that as you coat your chicken, to shake off the excess flour at all times. Once all our drumsticks are well coated, next we're just going to fry our chicken, and for this we're going to fry each side until it's well cooked. And remember, you can always reduce your heat as you cook in case your heat becomes too hot. To fry, keep on turning your drumsticks at all times to ensure each side is well cooked, and finish off by serving your meat and enjoying it. We're finally done making our meal, and it's over here ready. Though some few bits of the chicken got burnt while we were frying, but I'm sure it's still as yummy as I had made it previously. So we are just going to dive in and eat. And remember guys, as I told you, if you use chicken breasts for this, it won't work. Reason being, after marinating, chicken breast will be too tender for use when deep frying, so the best is drumsticks. So we are just going to do our test and see whether we have nailed what we are looking for in this meal. So here's our mix. actually very, very yummy. As you can see, it's well cooked. It's well cooked inside. You don't want to have a sweet meat and then not well cooked. You'll have failed your people and you'll have failed yourself. So thank you so much for being with us. As for me, I'm going to continue munching down my meal. And remember to subscribe and share and like and comment what you've loved about this recipe and what you'd love me to cook next. So that's it for today. Thank you so much, and remember to come back next week, same time, same place. Have a lovely week. Goodbye. Remember to keep it healthy and light and active hours on meals at all times. Goodbye. I'll continue eating and munching down my meal. Tuonane wiki ijayo.